Hey, thanks for joining. Today we're going to go through pulling the radiator on a 2007 CBR 1000. Now we're going to drain the coolant. This is the drain bolt right here on the left side of the bike for the coolant. Now I've created this elaborate, well planned out, well thought setup to not spill a drop. So this is a 10mm bolt. We're going to pop that loose. Torque spec on this bolt when it goes back in should be 7 foot-pounds. I didn't find it on the list over there right now, but 6mm bolts again, generally between 7 and 9 foot-pounds. All right, so now we're going to pull the radiator. We've got a few things to disconnect. One, we've got the electrical connector here for the fan. I'm going to disconnect right here for the coolant tubing. We're going to disconnect a bolt right here that holds this. It appears that the radiator slides onto a mount here, and on the other side there's a bolt. So right now, the first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the electrical, this guy, and the hose on the other side. Then we'll move on to the mounting and be able to pull it out of place. And try this end and see if it's any better. Eventually this whole tube's going to come off anyhow from inside the bike. I just can't get to that right now. Oh yeah. That was much easier. While we're here, I'm going to take this bolt off, which holds the top of the reservoir. The reservoir is actually held in the bottom too with a rubber mount. I plan to just leave that there. And like I said, we need to disconnect our electrical. As you can still see, because I'm holding a flashlight, trying to point things out and a camera at the same time now. We're going to push this clip out and then pull up on that harness. Just like that. Just in case, pull this pan over here to catch anything that might come out. Hey, I'd like to just jump in here. If you're enjoying this video, if it's helping you out, please like, and if you would, subscribe. If you think you could use more of my videos, I would really appreciate it. Over here, we've got a mounting bolt right here. That's a 10mm head, and the mount that actually connects that to the engine to hold it down here is an 8. I'm going to pull it off the radiator first, and then pull that bottom. Outside of that, up here, we've got one more bolt that mounts the radiator here. I'm gonna move up to the top mount here. And our radiator is out. This radiator should just slide up onto that. And then this mount goes down underneath the bike up to the base of the radiator. Plug my fan in. One line hook up over here. Check out the complete playlist of disassembling and reassembling this bike and the engine. If you need to see how to remove and install the fairings, check out this video.